Good afternoon, my dear friends. My name is Biman Sengupta Kaviraj. I have been a pharma professional for the last 60 years, mind you, 60 years, and I am a young man of 78 years. Today, I would like to share with you a part of my rich experience as a senior manager in the pharma industry, which I am sure will benefit you in your day-to-day activity. Not only that, also in your future prospects. I am sure you are going to gain a lot by this session, and on behalf of Endeavour, I am inviting you to please join us for this small session of 2 hours, and I will be very happy to answer all your questions in this regard. Thank you very much.